First year civics, second chapter. The name of the chapter is State. Even though the word state, state, is seeing very simple pronunciation, but it is having the more inner meaning. So the state is all in human society. Now let us know in detail about the introduction of the state. State is a powerful system. It is a political organization. So it is also known as the republic. The concept republic means the power to the public. The power in the hands of the public. That's why the democracy system was established. In the same way, the republic is treated as the power to the public, where the president or the head of the state is elected for a 5 years period, that is for the stipulated period, and the supreme power vested in the hands of the president, and the head of the state, who is known as the president, was elected by the people, for the people, by the proportional system, which is known as the electoral college. It is based on representative system of the population, and he was not elected by the system of the birth, or everybody can become the president of India. Like that, there are so many conditions for being a state as a republic. So state is also known as the conditions. State is also treated as a rank. State is nothing but a government. As a government is nothing but an organization which was formed for achieving the aims and objectives of the people. State is also known as the kingdom, where sovereign power was vested in the hands of the king. Stating is nothing but the declaring. State is an expression. State is also known as the pomp, which is known as greatness. So the all the words are synonyms to the state. State is also known as a country. State is a part of a country. State is also known as province. State, in other words, is called as the nation. So state is nothing but the class structure. So state is having the sovereign power. So we can tell the many words as synonyms for being a state. First of all, Machiavelli used the word state in his book The Prince. Actually, the state is a Teutonic word which means the status. So state is a sovereign institution, state is a social institution, state is a political institution. In olden days, these city states are became very popular. So state is the word, and it is having very inner meaning. So state is a powerful system. State means the civitas. Romans used civitas for state, and the democratic people are known as the political people in Athens. So state is a power system. It has the sovereign powers. State is used as a synonym for government, province, nation, etc. So by all the politicians or the great philosophers, they explained the word state, but the very famous among those seven definitions are included in the definition of Harold J. Lasky. State is a territorial society divided into government and subjects claiming within its allotted physical area a supremacy over all other institutions. So each word is having the inner meaning, and the various words combination expresses the components, elements, inner meaning, shortlisted specific meaning of the state. So there should be a territory. Territorial institution is the state, and it includes the government and physical area and supremacy, that is nothing but the sovereign power, like that. So it is an political institution. Woodrow Wilson also explained the word state. State is a people organized for law within a definite territory. There should be a territory for state. So Aristotle also explained the as state is a union of families and villages having for its end perfect and self-sufficient life, by which we mean a happy and honorable life. Gandhian thought. Gandhiji gave importance to the villages, so they should be self-sufficient in his opinion of Gandhiji. So Aristotle expressed that state is a union of families. It is nothing but a societies and villages and towns with self-sufficiency for the happy living. State is a political organized people of a definite territory. There should be a definite territory, and it is organized by the politicians and the political people. That is state. State is an association of families and their possession governed by the supreme power and a reason. There should be a supreme power, that is known as sovereign power. Unquestionable power is known as the sovereign power. State is a particular portion of mankind viewed as an organized unit. State is a community of persons, more or less numerous, permanently occupying a definite portion of territory, independent or nearly so of external control and possessing an organized government to which the great body of inhabitants render habitual obedience. Now let us know the essential elements of state. Essential elements of state are population, territory, government, and sovereignty. This diagram explains the essential elements of state. So the state should contain not only the population, territory, government, and sovereignty. In the next class, we will discuss about the elements of the state. The elements of the states also